Hey, what's going on, fam? We are back with another quick tip, and this is a Final Cut Pro editing tip. And if you'd like to know how to make your logo small in the corner of your screen, I'm going to show you. So all you got to do, you put your picture on top here in the timeline, you drag it from here, drag your picture down, and you can bring it here. So you got to be in the yellow box there, see that? Boom, put it on top like that. Now you have your logo, and you would put it the whole size of the video. So see, some video I did with our kids on melodics, gamified music apps. Let's check it out, big style. And all right, how does that look? When we recorded this, does it look good, kids?
Yes.
Well, that's that feature that we're going to put that in the middle of our video like that. When I accidentally hit my we would not put it in the middle like that. That is not what we're trying to go for. See one in the corner like that? That's what we want. So how do we get it in the corner like that? Instead of just a big picture in the middle of our app? Well, what we got to do is we're going to go up here. We're going to click on here. So when we click on here, it makes a little square box here. See that little square box?
Yeah.
And then we're going to take this and we're going to adjust.
It's not little.
It's on transform. It's not little. That's good. Very good observation there. So now it's little though. All right. So we take it there. And we're gonna put it over here. We just drag it here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at it. And we just line it up in the corner there, right? And so now it's there. All right, so that's how you do it. Very simple. That's how you put your little logo in the corner. When it comes to the end there, I want to put a little transition. Wonderful day. So transitions like that. I use this radial one. Circles out to my logo. So you have here the logo in the corner, and then the transition should be smooth like butter. So it goes from here to that one, stops here before the transition, and that shows. So that's it. Quick tip, how to make your logo as a watermark in your video. You put it for the whole duration of your timeline, and there you have it. Good job, right, kids?
Yep.
Yee! See you in the next tips and tricks. God bless.